What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Plate Cloak of the Shadows in Crimson Desert. This is a classy looking cloak with stylish pauldrons along with it. It gives your character 3 points of defense and has a level 7 fire resistance buff. To find the cloak, you'll have to travel northwest of the town of Hernan to this location, the Honemark Ruins. It's just directly at the top of the letter H of the Hernan label and just below a small river. When you get there, proceed to the westmost side of the ruin, then north towards a frozen stream until you see this rock formation. Climb on top of it and jump towards the ruined castle beyond. After you land, look around for a spot with very distinct bricks. What you're going to do next is to crouch on top of this brick floor, look down to it, and use horse palm. This floor will rotate, dropping you down into a room with a chest. Simply open that chest and jackpot! There's your Plate Cloak of the Shadows. Enjoy! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.